It was a day like no other, and I decided to take my trusty GoPro Hero 9 for a spin. But this time, something was different. I was about to use an ND filter for the very first time, and let me tell you, it was nothing short of a game changer. As I geared up and hopped on my motorcycle, a post-rainfall weather had turned everything into pure cinematic magic. The skies were painted with dramatic clouds and the landscape was lush and vibrant. Thanks to the recent shower, it was the perfect moment to put that ND filter to the test. With the ND filter in place, the world around me transformed. It was like I had just stepped into a blockbuster movie.